Hello everyone, what's up? Welcome back to where we bring you the most honest and detailed reviews on health and wellness products. Today, we are diving into something super exciting for skin care, hair health, and overall well-being, the Carbamide Forte Marine Collagen Powder Supplement. Let's find out if this product lives up to the hype. So, what exactly is marine collagen? Marine collagen is a protein derived from fish, and it's known for promoting healthy skin, strong nails, shiny hair, and even joint health. Carbamide Forte claims to deliver premium quality collagen peptides that are hydrolyzed for better absorption. Sounds promising, right? Let's take a closer look at the packaging. It's neat, minimalistic, and contains all the essential details, including the ingredients, benefits, and instructions. Inside, we have the collagen powder, which is unflavored, great for adding to your smoothies, coffee, or plain water. Plus, it's free from sugar and artificial additives, which is always a bonus. Now, let's talk about why you might want to try this. Here are some key benefits of Carbamide Forte Marine Collagen. Hydrolyzed collagen ensures better absorption for maximum results. This product also includes added vitamin C, which helps with collagen synthesis and enhances the overall effectiveness. Using this supplement is super easy. Just take 1 scoop, around 5 grams, and mix it into water, juice, or your favorite beverage. It dissolves quickly and doesn't have any fishy aftertaste, which is a huge plus. I've been using this for X weeks, and here's what I noticed. My skin feels more hydrated, my hair looks shinier, and I feel less joint stiffness during my workouts. Of course, consistency is key, so don't expect overnight results. But for me, the improvements have been noticeable and worth it. High-quality hydrolyzed marine collagen. Unflavored and versatile. Enriched with vitamin C for added benefits. Free from sugar and additives. May not be suitable for vegetarians or vegans since it's fish-derived. Consistent use is needed for visible results. Overall, I think it's a fantastic addition to your wellness routine. So, there you have it, my honest review of the Carbamide Forte Marine Collagen Powder Supplement. If you're looking to invest in your skin, hair, and joint health, this is definitely worth considering. Don't forget to check out the link in the description for more details and where to buy it. If you found this review helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell icon for more awesome content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.